So now I should speak in English about, what should I speak about? About cricket, or about politics, or about oil. This country gets all its wealth from selling oil. In India, people who sell oil, they're a backward caste. Teli. Right? Little joke. No, we should speak about Krishna. People speak about so many things. There are so many topics to discuss. But we should discuss about Krishna. 24 hours a day. That is the desired goal, to talk about, think about Krishna 24 hours a day, every single day. That is the perfection of life, as Krishna states in Bhagavad Gita repeatedly. Ananyas chintayanto mam. Krishna speaks about thinking of him without diversion to any other topic. Ananya cheta satatam. Again he says, always thinking of me without diversion. Manmana, thinking of me. Srila Prabhupada translates this as always thinking of me. So that is the ultimate goal of life, to always think of Krishna. In this material world, our attention is diverted in so many ways. Most people in this world, they never think of Krishna. Most of the jivas are not in the human form of life, so they have no opportunity to think of Krishna. Only in the human form of life can we even begin to think of Krishna. But most humans, or jivas in the form of humans, they never think of Krishna. One major reason being that most of them don't have any information about Krishna. Just like myself, I was born in the Western countries, and for the first several years of my life, I never even heard the word Krishna or the name Krishna. And that's the position still probably of most people in the world, and even those who have to some extent heard of Krishna, they don't take it very seriously. Even most people who are called Hindus, they don't take it very seriously. They think I have more important things to do. But everything that we do in this material world simply leads us to get born again in this material world and to suffer again and again in this material world. So Krishna is very merciful, and he comes to this world and he gives us the knowledge by which we can understand that our real happiness is in relationship with Krishna. Our real dharma, our real being is in relationship with Krishna. Therefore we should cultivate the habit of always thinking of Krishna. Krishna, another purpose for his coming to this world is to exhibit the pastimes of the spiritual world, including the lifting of the Govardhan hill. These very beautiful pastimes will attract the minds of pious people. People who are impious don't feel any attraction to Krishna, but people who are pious, they like to hear about Krishna, and by hearing about Krishna's pastimes, even though they took place in this world 5,000 years ago, which seems to us to be a very long time ago, but actually, if we, in the course of eternal time, it's not very long at all. So Krishna very kindly comes and performs many very attractive pastimes. Krishna means all attractive. Everyone's invited not to speak just now, and to kindly listen. आप सब जरा सा अभी बात मत करो जब तक इस प्रवचन हो रहा है. So Krishna means all attractive, and everything about him is attractive. His name is attractive, his qualities are attractive, his personality is attractive, his gopis are attractive, his Bhagavad Gita is attractive, his pastimes are attractive, his holy dham of Vrindavan and Mathura, Dwaraka, all these places are very attractive. So Krishna, he performs his wonderful pastimes, and again he manifests himself as Vyasadeva, and all these pastimes are collected in Srimad Bhagavatam by Vyasadeva, so that even now we can hear them and remember them and desire to take part in them. By taking part in, we can take part in those pastimes, we can become qualified to do so by cultivating the habit of always thinking of Krishna. And in this Kali Yuga, the very easy and best way to cultivate the habit of thinking of Krishna is as given to us by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, given to us all over the world by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as a personal associate, Srila Prabhupada. The easy process is by chanting the holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.